guys, Voltage Potato here, and once again, I'm playing BioShock, but I'm not here for any of my crappy gameplay. I am here to, I'll just go to my electrical. I'm playing with one hand because I don't really care. I just wanted to show you guys this, so, I know it's terrible and all my other ones were. Okay, so, right now you'll hear the one guy right before you hear Songbird, and I'll tell you guys more about it. And I'll probably drop my phone because I'll have to, So, hearing Songbird isn't what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you how it's not real. Here, hold on. Wait. Yeah, you'll hear Songbird, I believe. Wait, I'll just do it after you hear. Okay, wrong joystick. So, hearing Songbird isn't what I wanted to show you, so I'll drop my phone right now. If you guys want to hear, I'll just put it against it. I'll turn it up.
I'm trying. Once again, young Fitzpatrick. No! Oh God, you sick fuck, let me out of there!
Alright, so...
No. Life, death. The burden of the artist is to capture.
Okay, so right now I'm going to drop my phone.
See young Fitzpatrick here on the stage. Use your camera. Take him as he is now, so I may remember him.
Alright, so right now I'm going to drop my phone because I'm going to go to the part where you actually do hear Songbird over and over again. And what I'm trying to prove to you guys is that that he's not real, obviously, because the music in the background, he is programmed in the music as well. And the first thing I believe he is not real is because, you know, it's BioShock 1 was made in the early 2000s, I believe, and BioShock Infinite was made recently. So I don't believe that they would think about Songbird in BioShock 1, or I could be wrong, but also, like I said, I think it's like the music in the background, that song, or that thing, is just like maybe a screw up or something, so it's not real. So I'm going to drop my phone right now. I'll give you guys more details or whatever on it, and I'm going to drop my phone right now. So yeah, and then I'll go to the part where you actually do hear Songbird over and over again.
And now you've got Fitzpatrick caught in his moment of glory. It seems you've got the eye.
Right now I do hear Songbird, but this guy's talking, so the phone can't pick it up. So I'll drop my phone again.
And place his photograph in my masterpiece, and so our collaboration commences.
Alright, so right now I'm heading there right now.
I know why you've come, little moth. You've your own canvas, one you'll paint with the blood of a man I once loved. Yes, I'll send you to Ryan. But first, you must be part of my masterpiece. Go to the atrium. Hurry now. My muse is a fickle bitch with a very short attention span.
Alright, well, sorry about that. I totally went the wrong way. right there, that was Songbird. And also, you hear that in Marvin's, I have no clue, but you hear that in Marvin's Den, or Marvin's, I have no clue. You hear that as well in BioShock 2, which I'm hearing it again right now. And, you hear it in BioShock 2, but BioShock 2 is a way, way different time period than BioShock 1 and Infinite. Well, when Infinite goes back in time. But, yeah, so you hear it in BioShock 2 as well, but you just keep on hearing it over and over again. So, watch. I'll just show it to you, as you guys heard Songbird before. I'll show you that it comes up again. Right now. It's going to be quiet first. Alright, so yeah. I just wanted to show you guys that is not real, and if you haven't seen the video, just look up BioShock Easter egg, or BioShock Songbird Easter egg. That will come up. Most people do believe in it. I do not, of course. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Just leave a like. I don't really mind if you guys subscribe. I just wanted to show that because I'm, of course, not really liking this YouTube anymore because it's crappy. But yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like. Comment if you have anything to say about that. Yeah, so I'll just see you guys. Well, might see you guys later. Alright, bye.